Hi, how are you? Ready to create YouTube banner or PUBG banner free design for your channel? So we create this one. See all video. First of all, you please subscribe my channel for latest update. This is a very useful channel for you. Let's start. And now you open Photoshop and make new, and we type in 2560 and height 423. This is the size of banner, YouTube banner size. So click and create it. Now you zoom it and go to corner like this, and select freehand tool to go to corner, and come in here and select rectangular tool. And if you draw without shift, they going wrong side. You use shift for correctly draw, and close it. Now we change color. I like this color, so I select this one and hide it. You go to second layer and Control J and make duplicate layer, and now make duplicate layer and press shift for select boot layer, and again Control T for, and now you use shift for center line, and this is a good, and zoom it and see, this is a perfect. So this is a perfectly set. Now you select this one and Control T again, and make size big. Now this is a good, and change color black, and now we use arrow keys to perfectly set in background. Just click and set it. This is a, now this is a good. So again you go to in here and make group this one. So you change name one. When you change name and make again duplicate, so now select selection tool and set in right side, select and set in right side, and zoom to see, and again you change its name third and make new. When you make new again, select and set in right side, and see, this is a, now this is a good, and now again name change 3 and make new duplicate, and set in right side. So now again change name and give name 4 and enter it. Now we align all, so zoom, and this one a little bit upper, and we use arrow key to down, and this and now next all is good, and select all, and again use Control T and make it big, and we set in the corners, like this. So now you open any picture. If you want to add any picture, I select this one, simply drag in here and open, and now open this group and drag in here for adding group. So Control T again, and you set this picture in triangle. Now hide the picture, select picture and hide it, and now select quick selection tool and only click on first triangle, and you again display only unhide pictures and make duplicate and delete under picture layer, and again you open next one. Again you select any picture, and when you select only same procedure, and you again drag in here. When you drag, so again resize in triangle this, and again only. Now you open second group, quick selection tool, click in here and make duplicate layer and delete under layer, delete, and this one delete. So you see, now again same procedure, you gain any select picture and you drag in here, Control T, and you again set in triangle. You set in triangle and again select quick selection tool, and you again select import any photo. Again Control T and set in triangle and delete this one. This is a all add, and now select background and we import this picture. Now you drag in here, only you Control T, resize it in here. Good, this is a perfect, and we now import PNG, open and import PNG, PUBg PNG, and drag in here, and only again you use Control T. Yes, set it. Now you open again and we import one more, and only Control T, and its size make it smaller and add in here and make duplicate, and you only add in here one more. You merge it, you merge the both layer, and you use overlay, make duplicate and use overlay and merge again. So save, this is a banner we create. See this banner, I provide you this in description, you can use in your channel. This is a free.